Hello, my hello, my beautiful and handsome soul tribe. How's everybody doing? This is gonna be a general message for my lovely Scorpio collective. Um, did I say welcome to TT's Tarot? If I didn't, welcome to TT's Tarot. Remember to place yourself where you fit according to your situation. If this one does not resonate, go ahead and check your other major placements. This is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay. We are going to start with see what we're going to start with the Kipper-ish intuitive Kevs. Then we are going to pull on this. What is the Spirit Shield Oracle? Spirit, speak to my Scorpios. Archangel Michael, protect me as I channel this message. All right. What do my Scorpios need to know, Spirit? Cross watchers, you are welcome. Kids, you are not welcome. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. Once I do that, I can do live readings for you guys. Anything helps, really. If you comment, if you share it, anything really does help to get my content out into the algorithm. Scorpio. Look at first card out. That's what's up, Scorpio. Are you living in your higher purpose right now? Are you in your higher self, Scorpio? Oh, wow, that's way too many. But I'll take them. Okay, look, intuitive Kev, you are in your higher self right now. You could be coming into some money or living in your higher self. Living in your higher self will bring you actual money. Somebody's in emotional pain right now. Poverty. We got emotional pain and divine masculine in the reverse. Sorry, my puppy. Let's see what. All right. Let me clarify these, Spirit. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right, Scorpio. Sorry about that. All right. So we've got achievement, intuitive Kev, actual money, emotional pain, divine masculine. The song that just started is Jaheim Put That Woman First. You could have been working on yourself recently. I'd say within the last 6 months, to be a better person after a time of some emotional pain. You're going to be coming into a period that you're going to feel like this, and you're going to be in your higher purpose. Maybe some type of emotional pain led you into discovering your purpose. Let's see. It will happen within a week. You're going to get some type of achievement within 1 week. You could find solitude, in nature. This one. What's this one? Somebody could be a Leo. Social in the reverse. You could be getting messages in your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. Oh, you're protected from a divine masculine in the reverse, or clarity at the bottom of this deck. So there's a divine masculine in the reverse, because at the bottom of the deck we've got mature man. So he could be an older figure, maybe father figure or brother or something like that. That you're being protected from. I feel like Scorpio, you're very intuitive. I feel like when you take your like time of solitude, when you're by yourself, is when you um are most in tune with the universe. When you're by yourself in solitude, this is the time where truths are revealed to you. These are the moments where you are in your higher thinking conscience. Scorpio. We'll be using the Beetlejuice tarot deck. Bottom of this deck, we've got the Hermit. Scorpio. Let me clarify these. So you're going to get some type of achievement. I can't even talk right now. This achievement may leave you speechless. Or accomplishment, achievement. You're going to feel very accomplished. So it feels like something felt like just an illusion to you until this happens. Yeah, it definitely didn't happen overnight. Something took a while to come to fruition, took a lot of thought, planning. Wow, I just seen 3 5s within the last 10 seconds. So 555 could be significant. The number 5, that is represents change. So there could be a change happening in your life at the moment. We've got 5 of Cups here. Right here we've got 5 of Pentacles. I feel like yeah, something you're passionate about is coming to pass. Nine of Pentacles, yeah. Your 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 harvest is, you're reaping what you have sown. It took a lot of mental preparation and planning, physical, mental, physical. But you're about to be in the season, Scorpio. Yes. Yep, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Devil, you're about to get your what you've been working for, what you've been imagining is about to, and what you're really something you're passionate about. In the world, yes, it's about to happen. Something you've always imagined for yourself. The world, a cycle of like an old cycle's coming to an end, and a new cycle's beginning. A lot more clarity. You're protected from something. When the Devil came out on top of this divine masculine in the reverse, this person that you're protected from. Hopefully this is making sense. But something's happening this week, Scorpio. Something that's been either stagnated or something that has been slow to come. Something you could have been manifesting for a long time. What else, Spirit? For Scorpio, what else you got for Scorpio? I feel like it did require some sacrifice. It could have required you to sacrifice maybe a group of unhealthy, toxic people in your environment. Yeah, yeah. You're on the way to your 10 of Cups, Ace of Wands, strength. Yeah, it's required you to use your strength and endurance through some time of you know planting your seeds. Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck again. What is this, Spirit? 7 of Pentacles. Something you've been looking into and wanting to do for a long time. Page of Pentacles, and you finally, something happened. You're finally gonna get 5 of Cups, 9 of Wands. Somebody could this divine masculine in the reverse. This person, I'm not sure what relationship you have with them, but there's one person in particular right here. They're in regret regarding your new your harvest season. They could have been extremely guarded before, and promiscuous. Remember, take what resonates, leave the rest. But this person is in regret because you could be very guarded when it comes to this person now. Yeah, maybe some type of cycle has closed with this person. Seven of Swords at the bottom. Maybe they decepted you, lied to you, and you found out. But I feel like you've been so happy now. You're in a whole new energy. Well, look, they're getting their justice. Yep. Your harvest season is coming, or it's here if it's not here already. And it could leave this person to face their shadow. Look, with the Ten of Wands and the Hermit, they're being left to face their shadow side, to maybe face some sides of them that they have not been wanting to. Ace of Pentacles. Well, I feel like you have done the work. You didn't resist it when the time was here. You did what you had to do to ascend and mature. Something could have to do with two men. It could be a same-sex relationship maybe, or father-son dynamic, or brothers or something. So what does Scorpio need to know? So yeah, you're going to be reaping what you've been sowing, which is a great thing from the looks of it here. While somebody else is regretting that they didn't take the time to plant good seeds. That's the message that I have here. All right, let's see if we can get any love and money messages before we end this. My Scorpios. Well, that's great. I'm so happy for you, my loves. That is what I want to see for you. I know my soul tribe has been planting good seeds. Scorpio, give me a love and money message for my Scorpios, please. Spirit and cross watchers. You could be watching for Scorpio. I love the way that's weird. I love the way my decks smell. Especially this one. I don't know why it smells so good. So if you see me smelling my decks, I do apologize if you think it's weird. Love and message. Love and message. Wow, a love and money message, please, for my Scorpio collective. Love and money for my Scorpios. Look, I'm telling you, you're going to have some type of breakthrough this week. For the next week. For the next 7 days. Scorpio. Shoot up for Scorpio. Yeah. Yeah. One more, please. Spirit, one more. Thank you. Yep. So, okay. Danger approaching at the bottom of this deck, but we got no exit, ultimatum, and walls closing in. So what I'm seeing here, Scorpios, is this is the event that you should prepare yourself for, that is gonna be happening this week. Something's gonna come to a head. Well, and an ultimatum is gonna be laid out at the table, and I believe that's where your all your manifestations are gonna come to life. But because this is how you've been feeling, I feel like you've been working tirelessly, and with no it didn't seem like you were getting anywhere. Something's going to happen within the next week that is going to activate um, your ascension. Whatever you've been manifesting is going to it's going to happen this week, my loves. It's going to happen this week, and I'm happy for you. I pray love, abundance, protection, and prosperity over you, your loved ones, on your endeavor. And I will see you next time. Bye.